Hey, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nathan's Farming Adventure. Today, I'm going to show you what I like for hobbies. And here is one of my hobbies is collecting 1/64 scale model fun toys. I started collecting when I was 5 years old and everything. My grandpa and my uncle got me started collecting in the fun toy hobby, and I've been kind of big on it ever since. And the next thing I'm going to show you is I'm a big NASCAR fan, so I love to collect the NASCAR 1/24 scale models of the NASCAR race cars. What you're looking at right now are the cars of the special paint schemes I have collected for Dale Earnhardt Jr. when he was racing for Rick Hendrick. And then here are some more cars. And the next two that you are looking at are Austin Cindric, couple of these race cars. And then I have a few semi-trucks that you see on over the road trucking. And then here is some more what I have on display. Then here's all the boxes that I got. And then here's another view of my farm set and all of my toys. And then in the drawers here, I got some more fun toys and everything. So, I hope you liked this part. And remember, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more farming adventures. And here's a really quick look at